Hey everybody, this is a demo of the Lever Gear Toolcard screwdrivers and wrenches. As you can see, there are 3 screwdrivers on the corners of the toolcard and a variety of wrenches. We have both metric, as you can see, and inch wrenches. We'll start with the screwdrivers. We've got a small Phillips head screwdriver. It's actually 3-pronged to help you kind of align it. There's a small flathead screwdriver, and there's a larger flathead screwdriver, and this also doubles as a large Phillips head. One thing that's pretty interesting about the tool card, which I haven't seen on other cards, is that the screwdrivers are actually perpendicular with the far corner, so you can use the far corner of the card to line up the screwdriver when you're getting it set. So here we have a small Phillips head screw, so I'm just going to put it in there, and as you can see, it's easy to align and turn. Here is just a larger Phillips head screw. I'm using the same tool. Turn it like so. I don't actually have a flathead screw, so but you guys, I'm sure you know how to use those. And then this just shows with a larger Phillips head, we can use the flathead driver, which turns into basically a 2D Phillips. So easy peasy. Now let's go to the wrenches. As I said, there are several wrenches. These are closed-end wrenches for when you can go over the top, and then these are open-end wrenches for situations like maybe like a cable where you have to slide it in and can't get a closed-end wrench on. But just going down the line here, one thing is you can just you don't have to know the exact size. You can just sort of work it down until it fits, and then it's easy to turn. Again, all of the edges on the tool card are smooth, so your grip is always pretty comfortable. You can generally get some good leverage. This just shows a larger bolt here, and easy to turn. And then this is the largest inch size we have. It's actually in the bottle opener, but that's just another wrench for you. Here we have an eye bolt, and there's not a specific tool for that, but just wanted to point out that you can just sort of slide it in the wrenches and use that to get leverage on the eye bolt. Another unique feature of the tool card is that there's a 1/4-inch hex bit holder, which also doubles as a 1/4-inch wrench, but you can take any standard hex bit and slide it in there, and then use that to turn any bolt that will accept it. It works great with Allen keys or other bits where you don't have to apply a lot of downward pressure. So that's just another way to carry more drivers with you. And again, this shows how the open-ended wrenches can work. Go on here. One thing I want to point out about the open-ended wrenches, they only work in one direction. So you get it close, you can turn it this way because it hooks in on this corner, but if you try to turn it the other way, it'll just slide right off. So you can turn it one way. If you want to go the other direction, you actually just flip the card over, and you can turn it the other way. So just something important to note: if you're trying to use the open-ended wrenches, you're going to have to be aware of which way you can turn it. I guess that's it for now. There you go.